Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming eligibility, age, citizenship, education, and medical thresholds. Do this now so nothing blocks you later. Once verified, collect ID, educational certificates, domicile proof, and one recent passport photo. Make sure you create an official email and scan each document at 300 dpi, save as PDF under 2 MB. Then open the portal, register with the same name as your ID, and start the application form immediately. Don't wait for deadlines. You now focus on the core, filling forms, preparing for tests, and finalizing documents. Fill every field exactly as shown on your ID. Mismatches cause rejections, so double-check. Study the syllabus, do timed practice papers, and run daily fitness drills to meet physical benchmarks. Upload clear PDFs for each requirement, complete the self-declaration, and pay the online fee with a secure method. Once done, print or save the confirmation receipt and note exam dates so you can plan travel and rest. You finish by attending interviews and medicals with all printed originals. Show up 30 minutes early to avoid stressful queues. After the tests, monitor result notifications and prepare verification documents for the final appointment. Bring everything in organized folders. If your application fails or you get a discrepancy, request written clarification immediately, correct the specific error, and reapply within the allowed window. One troubleshooting tip: if documents are rejected, rescan at 300 dpi.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.